Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then my name is Aisha. Welcome. So I'm super excited because today we're going to be unboxing the Colourpop Nightmare Before Christmas collection. Oh, and Colourpop actually did send this to me, so thank you so much Colourpop. I can't believe it because this looks absolutely stunning and I can't wait to unbox it with you guys, and we're going to try it on and do some swatches and things like that. So before we begin unboxing, I do actually have a discount code with Colourpop. It is 5 Aisha Vander MUA. I will leave it here on the screen. You can get $5 off orders over $20 on all of Colourpop's products on their website, so make sure you use it if you want to pick this collection up or anything else on their website. Any Colourpop products, you can use my code. So yes, I think it's time to start unboxing. Firstly, how cute is this card? I love all the artwork. They have used Tim Burton's original artwork. We have Jack Skellington and we have Sally. I love the neon pink hats, and on the back here we have all of the information about the collection, and we also have like glitter everywhere, you will see. The first thing I've picked up here is a kind of like Christmas ornament. It's so cute. You can hang this on your tree. This one is Sally, and inside you get a creme luxe lipstick. There are actually 3 of these in the collection. So we have Sally, we have Oogie Boogie, and we have Jack Skellington. I want to hang these in my house right now. Obsessed. So first, let's look at Jack Skellington. This is what the packaging looks like. I love all of the detailing. And then if we open it up, we have a red shade, a classic red. This is perfect for Christmas time, winter time, autumn time, any time that you want to wear a classic red. I don't know if you can see there, but the actual bullet is actually embossed and it's got all that little detailing on it. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. That is the shade Jack Skellington there, and I'm obsessed. It's so creamy, so pigmented, just glided on, and it looks gorgeous. I love the undertone. It's just a perfect red. So yes, that is so cute. Then we have Sally. This one's got the kind of neon pink detailing on it, and this is a hot pink shade. It reminds me of that MAC shade that was so popular like 10 years ago. What was it called? Like Saint Germain or Saint Germain or something like that. I don't remember, but it looks so bright, so pigmented, so neon, so hot pink. That is not really a shade I would usually go for, but it will be great in one of my maybe creative makeup looks that I do for Instagram. Not something I would wear every day, to be honest. Again, we've got the detailing on the bullet there. Hopefully you can see, because if not, I'm gonna be so mad at you, camera. Then the last one is Oogie Boogie. Oogie Boogie, and this one has got neon green detailing, and I'm actually wearing this on my lips right now because as soon as I opened it up, I was like, yep, that's my kind of shade. That is a perfect brownie nude. I love it. I have tested it on my lips. It is so pigmented. None of these are patchy, and they just feel so comfortable. They do not dry down matte. They are more of a creamy finish, and if you want to pick something up, pick this up. This is gonna make like the perfect Christmas gift, or if you just want to get it for yourself because you're selfish like I am, then that's fine. But yeah, these would be such cute little stocking fillers, Christmas gifts. Then the next thing we have in this collection are these 2 liquid liners. So we've got, again, a BFF liquid liner in the shade, I assume, Jack Skellington. I'm not sure. I don't know if it has a shade. No, this is Pumpkin King. And then we've got Scream Queen. So Scream Queen looks like this, and it is just a regular black felt tip liner. Oh, okay, and it looks very pigmented, very black. I would buy this just for the packaging. Then we've got the other one, which is Pumpkin King, and this is a white liquid liner. Oh gosh. So pigmented. Look at that. Did you see how that swatched? So bright, so white. Hopefully it doesn't crack, because usually I have problems with white liners cracking, but I do love a good white liner. Then we've got these kind of rhinestone things. They are, what are they called? Individual crystals. They are all these different shapes, sizes, colors, and if you can see there, they have this kind of reflect to them, and so they change color depending on the light. These would be great to just spice up any look, especially for Christmas. If you're going for like a Christmas party glam look, just add a few little crystals in there and it will just take your look to another level. These will definitely come in handy. I'm also very excited for this. Firstly, like all of the packaging is so detailed. You've got all of the little characters on the inside. Then even the outside of the box is so cute. I just want to display everything around my house. And this is a beauty sponge. Got the little character there. I don't know what his name is. What's his name? I'm too lazy to Google it. It feels very soft and squidgy, and I assume like if you wet it, then it will expand and be even softer. I feel like the shape is really good because it's so pointy. You can really get under the eyes to do your concealer, to add some powder. And then this bit is like, you can just bounce it around your face to do your foundation. So I can't wait to try that too. Now this is something I'm super excited about. This is the Trio of Terror Jelly Much Shadow Trio. So cool. So if we take off this little box here, we get 3 of their jelly shadows. The first one is called Shock. I love the names though, Lock, Shock and Barrel, but I've gone with Shock first. I don't know why. This is a hot pink shade. Looks so reflective. And then if I just swirl my finger around there, it's so soft as well. So pigmented. That is gonna look stunning on the eyes. I feel like you could just do a super quick, like bright neon pink look. Just put this on the eyes, blend it out even with your fingers, and you'll be good to go. I've never actually tried their jelly shadows, but I'm excited to. And this one is the next one, which is called Barrel. This is right up my alley because it's like a bronzy, I don't know, what is it, a coppery bronzy shade, but it's got an almost bluey teal reflect to it, and it just feels so good. Look at that. And then when I move my hand in the light, you can kind of see those different colors. So you've got that warm shift and then also that cooler kind of bluey shift. And this is LOC, the last one in the trio, and this is a super dark kind of midnight blue shade. That is not a great swatch, Aisha. What is that? Amazing. Look at that. So shimmery and shiny and sheeny and reflective. Those are stunning. I'm sold. Well, I already have them, but I mean, you should be sold. You should buy them. The next thing we've got here is a Master of Fright Glitterally Obsessed Glitter Gel. The box is quite funky. Look at the shape of it. It's not regular box shape. I don't know what shape that is, but it's not a box shape. It's not square, it's not rectangular, I don't know. And this, again, has glitter all over it. Packaging, 10 out of 10. This is a glitter gel pot. Guys, can you see that? Look at all those different colors, blue, white, silver, pink, purple. This is giving me festival vibes. The glitter is pretty chunky, but I think this is made more for like body glitter, not eye glitter, because the chunky glitter might go in your eye and that is not going to be a good thing. So don't put this on your eyes. I mean, I don't think you're supposed to, but just, oh. I'm obsessed with all things glitter, all things shiny, and yes. So yeah, if you blend it out, it gives a kind of sheen, but you've got those glitter particles in there. Put this on your cheekbones, all around the eyes, like around, not on, for a festival, on your body, or even for a Christmas party, because you know, Christmas, you can do whatever you want. Just say, I don't care, it's Christmas. I can do what I like and I can look however I want to look. What are you talking about, Aisha? I don't know. Let me go wash my hands. Then the last thing we've got in this collection is the eyeshadow palette, the Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas Pressed Powder Palette. Love, love, love. We've also got the shade names on the back there. And then the actual palette packaging itself is the same as the box. You've got all the glitter, all the detailing. Sally on the back there. Jack Skellington on the front there. Let's open it up. Ooh, ta-da! It also comes with a mirror, which is amazing because I know some of Colourpop's eyeshadow palettes don't come with a mirror. So how do we feel about this color story? It's kind of like a little bit mismatched. I mean, it does match the artwork and like all the characters and stuff like that. This shade looks stunning. I don't know, it just doesn't look that cohesive it might be kind of difficult to create a proper look, but I'm sure we can make it work. Like the individual shades look amazing. This one especially as well. I love the gray kind of tones. And yeah, first we're gonna swatch it. So there we have all the shades swatched on my arm. Most of them swatched really nicely. These two do look a tiny bit patchy, but I love the undertone of this taupey kind of shade. The shimmers, of course, stunning. I love this one. Oh my goodness. And also this black with the kind of like purpley and bluey shimmers in it. It's got loads of little glitter particles and it looks beautiful. I can't wait to use this on my eyes. I will come up with some kind of look. So yeah, let's see. Right, so the time has come to try some of these products out, and I'm first going to prime my eyes using the P. Louise base, so we can give everything a fair test. And taking the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to start with this hot pink shade down here, and it's called Sandy Claws. Sandy Claws. That is so bright. Wow. So you can see there that it's very pigmented, and I'm just blending it out softly. I'm gonna take a fluffier brush just to kind of blend the edges. I haven't added any product on here, so hopefully this will help to blend out just a tiny bit more. Okay, that looks cute. Then we're gonna take this dark kind of plummy shade down here, which is called Everybody Scream, and I'm gonna use this to deepen up the crease. Oh, this is really nice as well, super pigmented. Then just gonna take the fluffy brush again and blend. That worked quite well. We deepen that up a little bit. Next, I'm going to take this kind of black, I don't know if it's completely black, it's kind of like a dark gray shade up here. This is called In My Bones. We're gonna put this on the outer corner. Yeah, definitely a gray. Then just taking my fluffy brush again and blending. This is a very dark matte shade, so it is quite difficult to blend out. It is looking a tiny bit patchy, but the more I blend it out, the more it's looking like a kind of bluish gray, and it is very pretty. Then we're gonna take this beautiful shade here. I don't know how to describe it, but it's stunning. And on a flat brush, I'm just gonna place it on the kind of center portion of the lid. Wow, that is gorgeous. Then in the very inner portion of the lid, I'm gonna take this shimmery hot pink shade. Not too sure about this color combo, if I'm honest. Not something I would usually go for. Hopefully we'll make it work. Just going back in with that kind of dark gray shade just to blend the shimmery shade into the outer corner. I don't know if you can see the reflect, but yeah, I'm getting like blues and greens and purples and every color under the sun. Then on the lower lash line, we're going for the dark gray. I did get a tiny bit of fallout, but hopefully I can just clean that up, like swish it off. Then I'm going with the purple. Then on the very inner portion, I'm gonna take this kind of white champagne kind of color. Oh, that is so pretty. That is a perfect inner corner highlight shade that really brightened everything up. Looking quite fairy-like. I feel like I need to just go in with a little bit more of the gray just because it did kind of fade away, and that will do for the eye. I think it looks kind of cool. Definitely not something I'd usually go for, but something a little bit different. Then let's try and use the kind of warmer shades on the other eye. First, I don't know what shade to start with. I think I'm going to start with this kind of taupey brown color called Dear Friend. There is quite a lot of kickback in the pan, especially on that one. Just make sure you tap off your brush. We're going to put this in the crease. Oh, this is a gorgeous transition shade. It's a very cool toned kind of taupey transition shade. I love that. And then we're going to go for maybe the shimmery black shade down here. This one is Halloween Town. I'm going to use this just on the outer corner. With the black, I usually like to just place it down first, and it probably looks like an absolute mess, but we're gonna fix that. To blend it out, I'm taking some more of that taupey shade. Okay, that's blending quite nicely. Like for a black shade, oh, it did get a tiny bit patchy down here, so let's take some more black. Do try and fix that. Okay, this was supposed to be the warm tone side, but it's not going like that. So we'll just roll with it. Now we're going to take, because I'm so excited to use this, we're going to take one of those jelly eyeshadows, if I can find it. This one here, which is in the shade Barrel. And I don't know whether to apply this with a brush. I think like you should probably apply it with your fingers, but we're going to use a brush. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's see if I go in with my finger, if that makes a difference. Yeah, definitely a bit more pigmented. And I feel like I just need to blend the crease a little bit, but that is so beautiful. Sorry guys, my camera died, so I had to switch cameras. So maybe the quality has changed. I might look a bit different. Okay, now for the lower lash line, we're going to take, I don't know, I feel like I want to try some more shades. I know this is gonna look awful, but we're gonna take the orange shade down here, which is called What's This? That is so bright, it almost looks like a neon coral. Then on the outer portion, I'm going to take this grayish shade again, and a bit of the black actually. Then on the inner corner of this eye, I'm going to do the same with the light whitish kind of shade. And also I was wondering like if the Jelly Shock shadows dried down, and they do. It's like completely dry, and it's only been like a few minutes. So I'm looking a bit strange, and yes, the color combos are not the best. I wanted to try as many shades as possible. As I said, like the color story is quite difficult to work with. When I first saw it, I didn't think, oh wow, I could do this or I could do that. I didn't have a look in mind, but I feel like you can do something quite neutral with the tones up here. You could do a pinky purpley look with these tones. Now we're going to try the liquid liners. Let's try the black one on this eye. Oh, very pigmented. The tip is really, really fine, and so it's super easy to get right up into that inner corner, which I sometimes struggle with. We're going for a wing, apparently. Looking a bit strange. Very, very bold wing. Oh no. I don't know if you can see, but it's transferred up there because I didn't wait for it to dry. Oh dear. I made a complete mess. I had to clean it up, and I kind of ruined everything. But we roll. Before I do my lashes and finish off the look, I'm going to add a little bit more of this Oogie Boogie lipstick. I did already have some on at the beginning of the video just because I opened it and I was obsessed with the shade. Let me just finish off the eyes and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look with the eyeshadow palette and a few of the other products, and I am quite impressed. You've seen my thoughts and you've heard my thoughts throughout this whole video, so I think I've spoken enough. But my favorite products that I tried anyway definitely have to be the Oogie Boogie lipstick and that jelly pot that I used on my lids. I'm so excited to try the other jelly pots. The eyeshadow palette is also very pigmented, easy to blend, easy to work with. Just yeah, the colors I'm not sure about. Let's do a close-up. Here's what the eyes are looking like. I'm obsessed with that white highlight inner corner shade, and here is the other eye. Also this coral orange is super cute. I mean, you could use a lot of these shades with the other palette, and also like for little pops of color and stuff. The shades are really nice. So I think that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below. Also ring the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.